Now, you might be in a situation where for some reason your Xfinity box is showing you a little red light right over here. Now, this red light could mean a couple of different things. The biggest thing to keep in mind here is that if you are seeing that red light there, that might mean that there is a hardware issue going on for your box. So if you've seen this, the first thing I'd recommend doing is to just go through and make sure everything is plugged in properly inside of your box. So everything on the back side, all those wires, all those cables there, you want to make sure everything is set up properly there. You want to make sure that your particular like outlet, your adapter that you have plugged in, your AC adapter, your power adapter, is probably plugged into a wall and not like an extension cord. That can also be a problem. Sometimes it might not be getting enough power. So make sure it's plugged into like some sort of, a wall outlet. And number three or two, this black cable or whatever color cable you have, the one that's connected, not the power adapter, but the actual other one that's connected to the cable, you want to make sure that this one is fully connected to your cable box. So completely screw it in. You want to just make sure it's screwed in as much as you can. Don't overdo it, but you want to make sure it's plugged in as much as you can. And same thing here. Go through, make sure it's fully plugged in or set up on this side as well. That is going to be one of the biggest things you can do that can probably end up fixing this problem. That is essentially the main way to go and troubleshoot it. If that doesn't work, you might also have to just power cycle your, box. So unplug your box, give it a few moments, plug it back in. That can also be another thing you can try doing, but if it's still not working, you might want to contact Xfinity and have them basically take a look at it, because that is probably going to be the main way to go and fix this type of problem. So in terms of that basically covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.